RISE MSME presents in the digital economy Produktong Governor Ato Nibay for the Philippine MSME on the move, self-relied MSME on the sales force.
Okay, on the count of three, ayan, I think okay na po lahat, no? So, on the count of 3, 2, 1, ayan. Officially open na po ang ating trade fair featuring our products in Davao del Norte. Ayan, so ating mga visitors.
Like, hit the notification bell, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. God bless. Thank you.
Everyone, before anything else, I would like to acknowledge and thank you for coming. Sir Romeo Castañaga, Provincial Director of TTI Davao del Norte, to Miss Maria Belenda Abbi, Regional Director for DTI 11, and to Sir Lorenzo Rubinos and Miss Nenita Malbas, to the Vice Chairman of Davao del Norte Council, LYR Group of Companies, welcome to GMall of Tagum. On behalf of GMall of Tagum, I would like to extend our gratitude to the Department of Trade and Industry for choosing our mall as one of your partners in making this event possible. It has always been a thrust of our mall to promote the local products of Davao del Norte. Most
Thank you, sir. Daghang kaayong salamat sa ato ang tigpaila. society to a level of success, competitive, resilience, and innovativeness. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang MSME Week 2022. I remain, and together we remain, one Davnor, one people.
I would like to greet everyone, good morning. So by the way po, ako po si Kevin. I work with MusicPay. The reason that I am here right now is to propose or to promote something, not just to big companies, no, but also sa mga MSMEs natin. We know the struggle that we felt during the pandemic, and we know na na-experience natin during the pandemic. Now we need
and other private sector partners for initiating this series of events in celebration of the MSME Week 2022 here in the province. This year's overall theme, which is Rise MSMEs in the Digital Economy, RISE standing for Resilient, Innovative, Sustainable, and Empowered, is I think a very fitting theme, no? Considering that this is really a call for our MSMEs to rise despite the challenges of the times and to be abreast with the digital economy requirements. And you can only be competitive if you will be part of the digital economy. Basically, this underscores the resilience of MSMEs and the means. No? We have used several platforms to bring to the MSMEs our services. Even our trade fairs were done virtually, and other forms of services where we have to innovate our processes.
Meantime,
Presence of Ma'am Ninita Malbas and Sir Ero Conde to witness the Memorandum of Agreement. The signing of the Memorandum of Agreement.
Alalay sa iyong pagtatagpay. Lumapit ka sa amin at ika'y maglilingkuran. Sisinuhin ika'y mapasisilbihan ng maayos at gawin namin ang lahat ng makakaya upang buhay ng bawat isa'y ginawa. Lahat ito'y pagkain isa tayo sa hindi ay gagawin.
shout out mga MSMEs ng Pilipinas.
Ito, lahi kaysa kaniya ito sa karon. So, ang point na ko din kaning niya, lalo na niya resilient, innovative, sustainable, and empowered. If you want to grow, kini ako target dito pwede lang duha ka sektor, atong gobyerno o ang atong mga entrepreneur na nag-aspire na successful na negosyante. Namuda ko no sama sa amo ni Engineer Conde. Sa una sugod mo dito may kaibaw ko ani karon pila nagkalimo yung employee sa iyong kumpanya. Ang kalambuan sa atong lungsod, sa atong siyudad, sa atong nasod, na nagkasalalay sa mga negosyante entrepreneur. Motivational quote na gusto na ko matag-establishmento na ko, ibutang na ko. Kasi if you hear motivational quotes na gusto na ko gihatag, I will make it known not only in Tagalog but throughout the world. Original mo ba na? O may nagkasulti, anak? Pwede pag-negosyante ka, kasing-kasing ang iral mo. Ati na, naluluoy ka ay, hindi pwede. Kung ang imong trabahan pinakasa, tapos mo balao, hindi ka pwedeng maluoy, i-connect sa imong una. You have to protect the interest of your business. Una sa ako, I'm not even serving warnings kanang sa pag nagkasala, I draw the line. Hindi mo ni pwede mo. Once you do it, I will fire you out. Kung magreklamo ka, may tagatong ka, mo buwahin. I will do what is right for my business. I will do in order to protect my business. I will do to protect my people who are honest and sincere, loyal serving to the company. So, muna masir na ko sa inyo mga entrepreneurs. Karon, istorya ko kami ng engineer, kundi presidente na po sa may chamber. Ngayon ako engineer, ako naman ta. Di man na ito
Subscribe, like, share, comment.